Hi, I'm Jeff Gilliam. I'm a physical therapist here at Request Physical Therapy. I'm also founder and director of Physician's Choice for Weight Loss, a healthy lifestyle weight loss program that many physicians in the Gainesville community refer their patients to. Patients who are overweight and have joint pain and may be diabetic or hypertensive. We have had well over 2,000 patients who have completed the program successfully, and patients lose anywhere between 30 and 50 pounds and more. They get off their blood pressure medication. I actually had one patient lose 165 pounds. She was on 4 blood pressure medications and she got off all of them. It reduced her knee pain. She was able to go out dancing. This could be you. It changed her life totally. Now the program is not a diet. There are many diets out there. The paleo diet, the keto diet, the Atkins diet. This is a healthy lifestyle program. The most important thing that patients learn is that food is information. Information that you're sending to your body's cells to tell it to either increase inflammation or decrease inflammation, store fat or block fat from being stored. Now when you come through the program, we will address your joint pain. We'll improve muscle strength, optimize function performance, boost your metabolism. If you feel like you're a candidate for this program, or you have a friend or loved one that would benefit from the program, go to your physician, ask him or her to refer you to Request Physical Therapy, and ask for Physician's Choice for Weight Loss. We would love to work with you.